let's get this bad boy cleared up. So I just went out and mixed up some Standox Standard Clear, and I don't know why, but I just felt like using this gun. I don't use it that much, but when I do, I always enjoy it. I do like this gun. I do like this gun. So I actually talked my painter in crime into using it. The guy that he's spraying a Suzuki Swift next door, and he said, hey, it was next door in the next spray booth, he said, hey, do you want to mix up some clear for me? I said, oh yeah, well, do you want to just use the same gun? So we'll just mix up a big part, and we'll just use the same gun. Like, I'll put a coat on, and you take it, you put a coat on, and then I'll take it back. So he's like, yeah. But he's an I-water sprayer. He usually uses his W400s and Bellarias, so he's always been a I-water guy, so interested to see what he thinks about the Supernova. It does pump it on. I do notice straight away though, I've got to hold the gun back a bit compared to the Pro Light. It does seem to get a bit more overspray, and I am well aware that it does use a little bit more clear. And truth be told, that's actually why I don't use it more often, because I am aware it uses a little bit more clear. And even in saying that, it's not heaps, but you save 20-30 mils per panel, it does add up. The amount of panels I paint, you know. Radio, I'll give him that gun and we'll see us back here in a few minutes. I'll put that second coat down. Alright, my turn again. Get back to it. So he just put his first coat on. I actually didn't get his verdict. I'll ask him what he thought of it once he finishes spraying. They are definitely a very, very different gun to spray with it, because as I said, like that guy is always sprayed with his Bellarias and W400s, so yeah, this gun here is definitely a different beast. You see it just pumps it on, man. You see it's like the clear's starting to milk up. That when it milks up, it means you're getting lots of material on. I can always flow out, but yeah, if I was to spray this gun the way I sprayed the Pro Light, it'd just be runs down the whole panel, man. It'd all be on the floor. If I was to hold this gun that close, it's nearly twice the distance of which I spray the Pro Light out. It feels like that anyway. I haven't exactly measured it. So yeah, 1.3 HD. HD stands for high delivery. It is. And yeah, one of these is going to be given away thanks to Gunny and Spray Guns Direct very soon on this channel. Well, the main channel I should say. Yeah. Well, that's us, baby. That is us. What a sexy. Every time I look at that gun, I say, oh yeah. I love that. Just make sure I got it all nice and wet the whole way across. Yep, looking good, looking good. I like it. Radio Gunners, that's just about it for this video. I'll give you a quick look over the job. Relatively clean, there's a couple of nibs in it, nothing too bad. Colour blended out really nice, the clear coat's looking all good. I'm happy. And both the owner and the boss and me should all be happy. Owner should be happy to see their car back in good state. Radio Gunners, catch us in the next one. Coming out. Woo!